Если пустое, все. Вода.
This project was made by a team of carpenters who held slate in their hands for the first time. I was only with them for 3 days and showed how to do it. Now I will tell it to you and you can make such roofs yourself. Good to see you again, buddy. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to quadruple the price of your job by doing a little more physical work, which is easy to teach any roofer, even a beginner. And all this with the help of the most beautiful slating technique. Today we will learn Wilde slating. There is indeed more manual work in this technique, but you will not be doing it alone. The most important thing is to understand the principle and show a little creativity and keep everything under control. We need to know roof angle and the format of the slate. Let the roof angle be 45 degrees. And we will work with two formats of slate 60 by 30 centimeters and 40 by 25 centimeters. This data allows us to determine the minimum overlap. We will make Wilde slating on the principle of double slating, and we can use the table for rectangular slating. We look at the table, look for the roof angle and format, we get a minimum overlap of 80 millimeters. If you left your email on our site, you have already received this table in the letter. So, before we start laying slate on the roof, we have a lot of work to do in pre-treatment of the stone. Your guys, if they are completely beginners, at this time will work out the technique of manual stone processing. After such training they will become professionals. We need to round off the rectangular format, leaving just one corner intact. Approximately half of the right and half of the left stones. This is how we treat each stone. You should not be lazy and tap around the entire edge so that there is no machine cut. Create a manual chip on the stone. You can experiment with the shape, the angular one also looks good. Almost each of these stones will be further developed on the roof. When you have a solid supply of such stones, you can go to the roof. Now you know how to define the overlap, how to pre-treat the slate, and how to organize the workflow. In the next lesson, you will learn how to lay Wilde slate on a roof. To watch the second lesson, click on the button below.